Hi everyone, welcome to Ruva Fashion. Today we are presenting 100% pure Kanchi cotton sarees with golden stripe line pallu. First color option is beautiful maroon and green border color. The next color option is grey and pink color. We made the border pattern in trendy and unique way. The saree fabric is very soft and easy to carry. The next color option is everyone's favorite pink and purple combination. For this festive occasion, if you want to be simple and elegant, you can prefer this saree. You can use this saree for your regular wear as well. The next color option is red and green. As I said before, it is 100% pure cotton and we are assured about the quality. You don't worry about the color, exactly same as shown in the video, you will receive the saree. The next color option is most trending color grey and maroon combination. There is no special washing care required for this saree, all you can do just normal hand wash. Since the border is very unique, you can use this saree for your regular wear, office wear and function wear as well. The next color option is blue and purple combination. All these beautiful sarees are priced at 999. We are from Chennai, so Kerala, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, the shipping charges will be 80 rupees. Within Tamil Nadu 50 rupees, within Chennai 40 rupees. If you like to purchase our saree, kindly take a saree screenshot and send a WhatsApp message to our number 9363848472. Please don't forget to follow us on Instagram, the link provided in the comment section. Thank you for watching.